its articles a and the are called the articles. A and an are called the indefinite articles, and the is called the definite article. Article are used with nouns. Students, a means one. A is placed before a countable nouns in the singular number that begins with a consonant sound. You see here, student, a book. B is a consonant sound. A pen. P is a consonant sound. A girl. Girl is a consonant sound. A map. M is a consonant. Here T is a consonant. C is a consonant. D is a consonant. V is a consonant, and Y is a consonant. So students, here we use the A before 1 rupees note or uniform, although they begin with A vowels. It is because they are pronounced with a consonant sounds. You use an also means one, and is placed before a countable nouns in the singular number that begin with a vowel sound. A is a vowel, so that you use the before an apple, an orange. O is a vowels. Vowels is a E, I, O, U. It is a 5 vowels. So student, E is a vowels, so that here we use the an arrow, an igloo, an ice cream, an owl, an umbrella, an urn, an aeroplane, an engine, and iron. Here the beginnings letter is a, I, U, O, so that here use the and sound and articles. The articles we use a or an when we mean any person or things. We use the when you mean a particular person on a thing. Take a book, any book, but take the book laying on the table, a particular book, so that here write the. A woman is standing near the door, any woman, but here the woman in a green sari. Which sari? Which color sari? Green sari. So that here the particular green sari's mother. So that here we write the, you use the. Student, you open your textbook, page number 6, and here question A, pairs, insert a and the. Here use the a and the articles and complete these sentences. Then you open your page number 7. Here question B, place a and the in the correct place to complete this story. Here you give the and the story, student. You use only a and the and complete your story. Last time we take this story. Student, now Words in communications. Read these sentences. She spotted an old basket beside some rocks in the garden. The word rock has two meanings. Which these meanings? You saw ROCK, rock. A large stone means rock. We can find large rocks on the seashore. Student, second meaning is to move from side to side, to move backward and forward. That is called rock. Babies go to sleep when we rock, when gently. It is a rock. Here you given the two meanings of rock. Student, now match the sentences with the correct meaning in the box. Here, first example, here given the bat, B-A-T, bat. Student, B-A-T, bat. Bat means, you see here, a piece of wood with a handle for hitting the ball in games like a cricket, correct? And second meaning is a small animal with wings that flies at night. Bat meanings, the one is a animal and second is a cricket game hitting ball. That time we use the bat, correct? So student, here A and B. You should here you match the meanings correctly. Right here 1 and 2. You do like second, third, fourth and fifth. Complete in your book and also notebooks. Student, next is say these words aloud. These words you read firstly, then write in your English notebook. Now say these sentences slowly. Only read these sentences. Okay, student. Now, student, we read these sentences and use here properly. After then, spelling. Choose the correct word from the bracket to complete these sentences. Now, we take a first sentence. There is a dash dash bed in my room. Here it is a wooden, wooden is a correct word. You should write here this word. She got a dash dash when the lights went off suddenly. Here you appropriate the words here. Fright, F-R-I-G-H-T, fright. That new shop sells dash dash kind of ice cream. You write here special, S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special. Fourth number, they have dash dash selling tickets for the show. Stopped, S-T-O-P-P-E-D, stopped. And fifth number, are you dash dash in that chair? Comfortable, C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E, comfortable. You have prepared these words and complete these sentences, students. Next, page number 10. Student, here, imagine you are Priya and that you have joined a new school. So students, school this town. Write a letter describing your new school to one of your friend in the town where you live before. You can also talk about Fluffy. Use these hints. Here you give the some hints. Student, you use these hints and complete this letter. Okay.